Hello everyone. Let us solve the following. In a right angled triangle ABC, right angle is at B. If tan A is equal to 3, then find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C and cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Okay. So what is given here? In a right angle triangle ABC, the right angle is at B. Okay. And tan A is equal to 3. So tan A means side opposite to angle A by side adjacent to angle A. Okay, this is angle A. So we need to take tan A with respect to angle A only. Okay, so here the angle of the side opposite to angle A is nothing but BC, and the side adjacent to angle A is nothing but AB. So BC by AB is equal to 3 by 1. Okay, 3. Actually, 3 is given. We have written 3 as 3 by 1. There will be no change. Okay, so BC becomes, 3 into AB. Just cross multiplication. BC becomes 3 into AB. Let us assume AB as K. This is only for making our calculation easy. We are taking it as a constant K value. Okay, so from 1, what we can write? BC is equal to 3 into AB. So BC becomes 3K. Okay, right? So here we have AB as K and BC as 3K. Okay, now let us find out AC. AC is nothing but the hypotenuse because it is just opposite to the right angle B. Okay, so we are finding out AC, the hypotenuse, by using Pythagoras theorem. In Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. We just applied that only. So AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. Okay, so BC is nothing but 3K whole square plus AB is nothing but K square. So 9K square plus K square is equal to AC square. So obviously AC becomes root of 10K square. So that is nothing but root 10K. Now we have BC as 3K and AB as K and AC as root 10K. Okay, right? Now we need to calculate some values. It is given in the problem: sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C and cos A cos C minus sin A sin C also. Okay, so to make our calculation easy, let us write all those values at one place. So we are writing now sin A cos A. Sin A cos A means with respect to angle A. So sin A is nothing but side opposite to angle A by hypotenuse. Okay, so sin A is equal to side opposite to angle A is nothing but BC and hypotenuse is nothing but AC. So here sin A is equal to 3K by root 10K. KK gets cancelled and it becomes 3 by root 10. Okay, and cos A is nothing but side adjacent to angle A by hypotenuse. Side adjacent to angle A is nothing but AB. Hypotenuse is nothing but AC. So cos A is nothing but AB by AC. So AB is K and the hypotenuse is root 10K. So we have written K by root 10K. Further it becomes 1 by root 10. Okay, now we need to write down sin C, cos C values. So we talk with respect to angle C here. Okay, so sin C is equal to side opposite to angle C by hypotenuse. What is the side opposite to angle C? It is nothing but AB, which is K. Okay, and hypotenuse is same AC, so it is nothing but root 10K. So sin C is equal to K by root 10K. So 1 by root 10 it becomes. Okay, and cos C is nothing but side adjacent to angle C by hypotenuse. What is the side adjacent to angle C? BC. So BC by AC. AC is the hypotenuse. Okay. So 3K by root 10. 3K by root 10K. That is equal to 3 by root 10. So we have written all the values required for the calculation. Sin A is 3 by root 10. Cos A is 1 by root 10. Sin C is 1 by root 10. And cos C is 3 by root 10. Okay, now just we need to substitute all the values, right? Sin A 3 by root 10, cos C 3 by root 10 sin A into cos C plus cos A 1 by root 10 into sin C 1 by root 10. So 3 by root 10 into 3 by root 10 9 by 10 plus 1 by root 10 into 1 by root 10 1 by 10. Okay, so simplifying further we will get 10 by 10, that is equal to 1. Now, what is the second value required? We need to find out cos A, cos C minus sin A, sin C. All the values are written here. Okay. So, cos A 1 by root 10 into cos C 3 by root 10 minus sin A 3 by root 10 into 1 by root 10 sin C. Okay. So, 1 by root 10 into 3 by root 10 is nothing but 3 by 10. Okay. Now, in the same manner, 3 by root 10 into 1 by root 10 is nothing but 3 by 10. So finally, the value is 3 by 10 minus 3 by 10. That is nothing but 0. So we got cos A, cos C minus sin A, sin C is equal to 0. Finally, we are able to find out sin A, cos C plus cos A, sin C as 1 and cos A, cos C minus sin A, sin C is equal to 0. Okay, I hope you understood the problem. If you understand, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.